Hey everyone, I want to show you a quick tip or hack if you're cooking chicken breast. You definitely want to do this every time you make chicken breast. You want to add a good handful of salt to some lukewarm water. Make sure it's not hot or cold. You just want to dissolve it in the water. Now this will sit, your chicken will sit in here for 15 minutes minimum to up to 6 hours. If you're going to go hours, cover them with cling wrap and put them in the refrigerator. This guarantees that your chicken breast will always be moist, tender, and juicy because you know chicken breast dry out really fast. That's why most chefs prefer to cook with thighs. So I'm going to put these in the refrigerator. I'm going to let them go probably about an hour and then come back and show you guys a really nice recipe. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make grilled chicken look and taste like it's been cooked on a charcoal grill. I have my brine chicken there, and you have to brine it if you want it to be moist and tender. You rinse it several times after the brine in clear water and then pat it dry. I have 3 breasts. You're going to need a wire-rimmed baking rack sheet with a rack on it. I've lined it with foil because those that know me know I don't like to clean up much. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm Jennifer. I have a grill pan with grill marks. That's how I'm going to get the fake grill marks to make it look like, well, there'll be grill marks on there, but it'll look like it was cooked on a grill. And those that know me know I use my staple. I'm using garlic powder, but I'm going to add this time some smoked paprika to make sure I got some smoky flavor. I have onion powder, a little bit of liquid smoke, black pepper, and another one of my staples is seasoning salt. I'm going to add some olive oil to make sure the seasoning sticks. And behind there is my husband's homemade barbecue sauce that he makes with great pride. It's really good. Got my Clorox wipes there because chicken makes me nervous. You don't want any cross-contamination. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause and get everything set up so we can season this. Let's get cooking. Okay, I have some olive oil, and those that know me know I like to season my proteins for at least a good 6 to 8 hours before I cook them. Now you can definitely, after you brine these, they'll still be delicious if you go ahead and just cook them at this point, but I really prefer to brine all my proteins except seafood ahead of time. So I'm going to add some smoked paprika. That'll help with the coloring and also the smoky flavor. So when I told my husband I was making barbecue chicken, he's one of those people that if there's not a grill or some charcoal involved, he is definitely not with it. Oh, let me put you guys on pause. I don't have my mic on. Sorry about that, I'm back. I've had a couple complaints that they couldn't really hear me, and that's my fault. A lot of times I forget about the mic. I use some onion powder. Get that really seasoned. And you can use whatever seasoning you like. This is just my staple, so you can definitely change the seasoning. You don't have to do it exactly like I do it. Do it to your family's taste, whatever they prefer. You want to make sure they're seasoned really good. That's why I like to marinate all my proteins, because I like to make sure that's just not the outer surface that has been seasoned. It's all the way down to the meat, especially if there's a bone in there. I like to make sure it's down to the bone. So I'm just putting some pepper on here. And then I'm going to add the liquid smoke, just a tiny bit. That's my cheat to kind of make sure that it has some smoky flavor like it was cooked on the grill. I'm just going to liberally put some garlic powder on here. If you don't like I said, garlic powder, or you can do oregano, whatever seasonings you like, these will still be delicious. And the brining is the secret or the hack, because it ensures any time you cook chicken breast that they will not be dry, even if you fry them, because chicken, like I said, the breast is really easy to dry out. Now what I'm going to do is get my plastic bag, because I'm going to marinate these for about 6 to 8 hours. I'm going to put them in the fridge. So I'm going to add the chicken breast in here, like so. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of liquid smoke, just a couple dashes, and then mix that around, and that'll give it the smoky flavor like it was cooked on the grill. So I'm going to once again put you guys on pause. Like I said, welcome to my channel. Those that know me know I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and tell a joke at the end. So you want to come back or stick with me till this is done, because this is a great recipe for a quick weeknight meal or any day meal. You can do this, like I said, in 30 minutes. Just let it brine for 15, and then cook them for 20 in the oven at 425 degrees. And you have to have a meat thermometer. I'm going to get that out, and then you definitely want to check chicken. You don't want raw chicken. I'll put you guys on pause and we'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I had my chicken marinating for about 6 hours in the refrigerator, and then I've had it out for approximately 30 minutes to try and bring it to room temperature. My oven is at 425 degrees. I have my timer set for exactly 20 minutes. You don't want to go any further. And I do have my meat thermometer here. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause, get this in the oven, so I can go ahead and show you how we make this chicken look like grilled chicken on the grill. Okay guys, that's my timer. I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken out and show you that it's at 165 degrees. And you definitely don't want to miss this next step. Whenever you have a protein, you definitely don't want to cut it at this point. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And you know, meat continues to cook after you take it out of the oven. So I am at 165 degrees. So now what I'm going to do is take the chicken off of this rack and put it onto a plate. And then I'm going to let it rest for 15 minutes. You want to do that with all proteins. I'm going to cover it with foil and then come back and show you the last and final step and to how to make this chicken look like you were outside grilling on a barbecue grill. And don't forget, I have a great joke for you guys. Okay, everyone, I have my oven up on up on high heat. And I'm going to, I want to lightly grease this. You can use olive oil, any kind of oil you want. I'm using vegetable oil. It has a higher smoking point than olive oil, so that's the reason I chose this. I've got it up on high, and while that's heating up, I've got my chicken is resting for 15 minutes, nice and juicy. So I'm going to take my husband's barbecue sauce and sauce both sides of the chicken and get it ready to put on the pan. And I'm just trying to get grill marks. The chicken is done. I'm not trying to cook it any longer than necessary. So use whatever barbecue sauce you like. This is one my husband makes whenever he grills for the holidays. And he has his own recipe. If you're interested, let me know. I can get it from him and post it down below so you will have it. We really like it. It's got a million steps to it, a million ingredients. And for somebody who doesn't like to cook, he does like to grill, and he's really good at grilling. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, I upload 2 a week, and I always try and tell you guys a great joke. So I got this all sauced on both sides. So make sure this is nice and hot. I'm gonna get a good sear on it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is something quick night. Like I said, if you wanted to impress people and think that you were out on the grill and had the grill going and you have nice grill marks on there, it should have a smoky flavor. That's when you want to be careful with the liquid smoke, because the liquid smoke can make it extremely smoky, and you don't want it to overpower the. Here we go. It is hot. You don't want it to overpower your spices or your seasonings that you have on your chicken. So I'm putting this the other side down. I'm just going to press that down on there. And like I said, I do have it on high. Look at that great juice. If I had some gravy, that would be great. So I'm just going to let this cook for just a minute or two on each side, just to get the grill marks. And then take this off and set everything up for my joke for you guys. See, it wasn't hard, and this is something that you can cook and not have to stand over the stove if you don't want to. You can just put it in the oven and forget about it. I'm just letting that sear on both sides. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause for a minute and get one side done. I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm turning it over. Got some great grill marks on there. You can see that. And that's the illusion of it being on the grill, getting the grill marks. So this is going to cook for about another minute, and I'm turning the camera around to tell you guys my joke. Okay, everyone, there you have it. Grilled barbecue chicken without an outdoor grill with charcoal or a gas grill. So let me tell you my joke. A man is stumbling through the woods, totally drunk, and comes upon a preacher baptizing people in the river. He proceeds to walk into the water and subsequently bumps into the preacher. So the preacher grabs him and dunks him in the water. He pulls him up and asks the drunk, "Brother, have you found Jesus?" The drunk replies, "No, I haven't found Jesus." The preacher, shocked at the answer, dunks him in the water again for a little longer and asks again, "Have you found Jesus, my brother?" The drunk responds, No, I have not. I haven't found Jesus. By this time, the preacher is at his wit's end and dunks him for a third time, but this time holds him down for 30 seconds. And when he begins kicking and his arms and legs flailing, he pulls him up, and the preacher asks the drunk again, "For the love of God, have you found Jesus?" The drunk wipes his eyes and catches his breath and says, "Are you sure this is where he fell in?" Deep. Okay, that's my joke. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And come back for the next one of easy weeknight meals for people who are really busy like myself and don't have the time to cook a lot of scrumptious food that requires a lot of work. So thanks for watching. God bless, and have a good evening.